Hey guys, welcome to Brit Indians. I'm Joshua. In this video, I'm gonna elaborate about the rules which are in place for the travelers who are coming from red list country, amber list country and green list country to the UK. And also I'm gonna explain about the ways you can get help for your hotel quarantine package. People who are coming from red list countries have to do a hotel quarantine, so it will cost around £1,750 per person. So I'm gonna say the ways in which you can actually get funding or get help to avoid this £1,750 per person hotel quarantine thing. So let's get into the video. First, red list countries. If you have been in the country or a territory which is in the red list in the last 10 days before coming to the UK, you'll only be allowed to enter UK if you are a British or Irish national, or if you have visas to the UK, like not the tourist visa but other visas like student visas, dependent visa or any other visa, work visas, whatever other visas that you have, you can come with that, but you can't come with the tourist visa. So before you travel to UK, you must take a COVID-19 test, book a hotel quarantine package including 2 COVID-19 test kit for £1,750 per person. So if it is 2 person, then it's £2,400, and for 3 persons, if you are booking it combinedly, then it will be around £3,050. This hotel quarantine package will include your travel to the hotel, your food and your stay for the 10 days. And then you have to complete a passenger's locator form before traveling to UK. You must follow these rules even if you have been vaccinated. So even if you have taken like 2 doses of Pfizer or Oxford vaccine or any other vaccines, you should follow these rules. And also, if you have transited through a red list country, then you are considered as a person coming from the red list country and you have to do the hotel quarantine. The red list countries can be found in the link below. You can go and check it out in the description. Amber list country. So if you have been in an amber list country in the past 10 days, then before reaching UK, you must take a COVID-19 test. You must book for the 2 COVID test kit, which you have to take once you arrive in UK. And then you have to complete a passenger locator form before coming to UK online. On the arrival, you must quarantine at your home or any place where you are staying for the 10 days, and then you should take 2 COVID tests with the kits given to you. The amber list countries can be found in the link given below in the description. You can go and check it out. Green list countries. If you have been in the green list country for the past 10 days, then you must follow these rules. So before you travel to England, you must take a COVID test. You must book for the 2 COVID test kit and you must complete a passenger locator form online. You do not quarantine unless the test result is positive. So some tips for managing the hotel quarantine thing. So if you are from a red list country, you have to do a hotel quarantine. So there are certain ways which you can get some funding, or you can avoid that £1,750 per person. The first one is, some universities have told that they will accept the hotel quarantine costs, like the universities like Bristol University, Oxford Brookes University, they have already posted it on their website. Also, few universities have told that they may fund at least a few amount of the hotel quarantine cost from their COVID-19 funds. So contact your university and check what they have in place to support international students coming to UK for their studies from red list countries. Second, if you come in groups, it will be beneficial for you. For example, if you are coming in as 2 persons or 3 persons, then your hotel quarantine cost will get reduced, because for 2 persons it is £2,400 and for 3 persons it is £3,050. So if you travel in groups, you can save around £550 to £720 per person. Third is that if you are facing like an emergency financial hardship and you are unable to pay your quarantine immediately, you may be able to authorize a deferred payment plan. So the government is giving a deferred payment plan for the hotel quarantine. So this is only available for individuals who are UK residents or students with visas to study, and you will be required to pay back your debt to the government in 12 monthly installments. So you can pay that £1,750 or whatever amount you're going to pay in 12 installments. So for help and support, please contact CTM in the below given number or email. Finally, you can travel to a green list country and stay there for 10 days and then you can come to UK. That is your wish. That may sometimes reduce your cost of hotel quarantine. So these are the things that you can do just try these out. Ask your university, or like come with a friend, or find out people who are coming to your university and come together as a group, and then you can contact the emergency financial hardship and email them, or call them and ask them for deferred payment plan, or you can come through a green list country. So these are the things that you can do to avoid this £1,750 of hotel quarantine thing. I hope this video is useful for you. If you have any queries, just leave it in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe the channel, and also click the bell icon. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in next video. Until then, goodbye, cheers.